Bikers in Iloilo City now have safer roads to navigate. Mayor Jerry Treñas is thanking Billionario Enrique Razon for it. Treñas boasted about these bright spots separating bike lanes from roads used by motorists. Residents of Iloilo are slowly embracing the use of bicycles as a mode of transportation during the pandemic. In December 2020, members of the Iloilo PNP began using bikes to rove around the city for police visibility and to avoid crimes from happening.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.